So now this how.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please. I'm trying to get paid. Not today, not today, not today.
Guys, hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, my name is Miss Ati, and if you are new here, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, share for you to get more and more of my videos. So today's video, guys, I'll be showing you Ringlight. I hope you're seeing it. That's the mini ring light. I got it from Kilimall. I ordered it from Kilimall. It goes for around 700 shilling, guys. This is so awesome, and one reason, or one of the many reasons that I went for this ring light, because like I can take my videos and my photos alone. So today I'll be unboxing you a ring light, and I'll be showing you. You attach it to your phone. So after this, I'll be showing you how to use it, and I'll be showing you what's inside. Guys, let's now let's unbox our ring light. So these are some of the items that are included in this box. We have this mini tripod. This is the header, and actually there's another package here. We have this small box. Small box. Let's see what's included inside, guys. What's inside? Wow. This is so cute, guys. You can see for yourself. Wow, this is so cute, guys. This is so cute. You mount this on your phone, guys. So these are some packages. These are some of the items that are included in that package. So let me show you guys how to use it. Now I'll be showing you how to use it. So we have these three items, and we have a phone. So let's start with the tripod. Guys. You pull these. They look like flying wings, I don't know. So you pull them like this to make a stand. Then you press it to move this part up. We want our phone to be on portrait, so we will be pulling this like this. Okay, guys. Then the header, it has something like screw, so you mount on this one. Okay, so let's mount, and you make sure for it to be tight, not let go. Not for it to be loose. The phone can fall if it's loose, so you make sure it's tight. So like that, guys. Now we will be pulling this one to put our phone. Alright, we'll be pulling like this. Yeah. So you'll be pulling like this. So you will be pulling like this, guys. Sorry, it's disturbing. And yeah, there we have our phone, guys, mounted on a mini tripod stand. Yeah, so now we'll be placing our ring light on the phone. So you see where there is this camera. This is where you place you mount the ring light. So we are mounting the ring. So now this is how it should be looking, guys, when it's complete. You can see for yourself, guys. This is so cute, and one of the many reasons that I went for this is that I can able to take videos and photos by myself. I don't have to disturb someone. Please, can you help me with the photos? No, I just have to take it by myself. So yeah, guys, I'm so happy, and thank you so much, Kilimall, for this. It was so, everything was exactly like it was on the app. So thank you, Kilimall. Yeah. So this is where if you want, right now it's daytime. We can't use the lights. So when it's dark, when you want to use the lights, you just have to press this button. Hope you are seeing that button, guys. This is a small one. Yeah, so when you want to use the light, just press this small button like this. So I will be pressing it, and you see, so that's for the first light. It's not that bright. Then you press for the second one, and there is this for the third one, guys. Yeah, I know it's not, you cannot see that clearly how bright it is because it's during the day, but when it's in a dark place, it will be so bright, guys. You won't even believe it. So how cute is it, guys? This is so amazing. I really loved it. I'm saying so much thanks to Kilimall. Everything was exactly like I wanted or like I ordered. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and watch my next video. See you guys. Love you.